Hello students, myself Sudhir Prasad Roy from DAV Public School MTPS County. Today I am going to give you the geometrical proof of the algebraic identity 2, that is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Yesterday we had seen the geometrical proof of the identity first, and it was a plus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. For the finding the proof of a minus b whole square, geometric proof a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, we have to proceed in the same way as we had proceed in the first identity. Here also we are going to, let us take a square ABCD, a square ABCD with side length a unit. Okay, the side length of this square is a unit. What does it mean? This AB is equal to A, this BC is equal to A, this CD is equal to A, and this AD is equal to also A. Okay, so the area of this square will be what? We know side square, that is a square. Okay, now what we do here is that we cut B unit from the side AB, B unit from the side AB, and we cut JB is equal to B unit from the side AB, and from the point J we draw a line parallel JH parallel to AD or BC. Here the line JH is parallel to line ABAD or line BC. Okay. Now what is the length of this AJ? Its total was A and this JB is equal to B. Total was A and this JB is equal to B. Then what is the remaining length? AJ. AJ is equal to A minus B unit. Correct? AJ is equal to A minus B unit. Now similarly from AD we also cut DE is equal to B unit. DB is equal to DE is equal to B unit, and draw a line EG parallel to CD, DC or AB. Okay, what we have done in the third step, we have cut DE is equal to B unit from the side AD. From the side AD we had cut DE is equal to B unit, and we have drawn a line EG parallel to DC or parallel to AB. Since ABCD is a square, so therefore AB is parallel to DC, and this EG is also parallel to DC or AB. Now what is the length left here? AE. AE is left A minus B. Total is AD is equal to A unit, side of the square ABCD, and DE is equal to B unit. Therefore AE is equal to A minus B unit. Now let us see what happens here. AJFE is a square with side length A minus B unit. Here A minus B, here also A minus B. Now since this is parallel to this is parallel to this, therefore this is also A minus B unit. Okay, and this is also, this EF is also A minus B unit. So it is a square with side length A minus B unit. All of you understood? The AJFE is a square with side length A minus B unit. Similarly JBCH is also a square. Sorry, is also a rectangle. Is a rectangle. JBCH is a rectangle whose length is A, length BC is equal to A unit. यहाँ से यहाँ तक पूरा, यहाँ से यहाँ तक, क्योंकि ये रेक्टेंगल ले रहे हैं JBCH, ये पूरा हमने लिया है। इसमें हम इसको भी ले सकते हैं, लेकिन हमने इसको छांट दिया है, हमने FGCH को छांट दिया है, हमने पूरा लिया है JBCH, एक रेक्टेंगल, JBCH एक रेक्टेंगल लिया जिसका लेंथ हो जाएगा A यूनिट, ये साइड का लेंथ, साइड ऑफ द स्क्वायर, और ब्रेड्थ हो जाएगा B यूनिट, दिस B यूनिट, ओके। एंड द थर्ड रेक्टेंगल, दिस DEFH, DE या और EFHD, its length is A minus B unit, and breadth is B unit. What is the length? A minus B unit, and what is breadth? B unit. Okay, now we have to prove. For this, area AEFJ, what do you mean? Area of this square, AEFJ. What is area of a square? Side square. ये स्क्वायर का जो एरिया होगा, the square of this area AEFJ will be equal to the area of a square ABCD, minus area of rectangle JBCH and rectangle DEFHD. You may see here area AEFJ, is equal to एरिया ABCD, पूरे स्क्वायर के एरिया में से अगर हम इसके पूरे को एरिया और इस पूरे एरिया को माइनस कर दें तो हमको इसका एरिया मिल जाएगा। नो, if we subtract the area JBCH and area EFHD from the entire area of the square ABCD, then what we will find? We will find the area AJFE. Okay, so area AEFJ is equal to area ABCD, the entire area of the entire square, minus area JBCH ये पूरा एरिया, and area EFHD। इस पूरे स्क्वायर के एरिया में से इस रेक्टेंगल के एरिया को और इस रेक्टेंगल के एरिया को माइनस कर देंगे तो हमको इसका एरिया मालूम हो जाएगा। नाउ व्हाट इज एरिया ऑफ AEFJ? AEFJ का एरिया क्या होगा? साइड स्क्वायर, and what is side? A minus B unit. So here what is area ABCD? Sorry, what is area? Yes, area AEFJ. Area AEFJ is equal to side square, and what is side? A minus B unit. So area AEFJ is equal to A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square. Area of the square AEFJ is equal to area ABCD. ये entire area of the square ABCD, and it is no side square, and ये जो स्क्वायर है बड़ा उसका एरिया क्या है? A स्क्वायर हो गया, माइनस एरिया JBCH, इसका लेंथ ये हो गया, ब्रेड्थ ये हो गया। व्हाट इज लेंथ? लेंथ इज A because it is the side of the square and it is equal to A unit. So A square minus A square तो पूरा हो गया, पूरे स्क्वायर का एरिया हो गया, माइनस JBCH का एरिया, लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ, लेंथ इज A and breadth is B, so AB. And what is area EFHD? Area EFHD is equal to length into breadth. What is length? A minus B, and what is breadth? B. Okay, the area EFHD, it is a rectangle and its area is equal to length into breadth. What is length? A minus B, and what is breadth? B. So B into A minus B, it is area EHFD, and area JBCH is equal to AB. Now A square minus AB, we have multiplied AB minus B square. Here if you multiply B to A, it is AB, B to B, it is minus B square. So it is equal to A square minus 2AB and minus B square. When you subtract this, A square minus 2AB and plus B square, and here area AFJ is equal to A minus B whole square. So A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay. In the previous identity, we had considered all the three figures. This rectangle, this square and this rectangle. If you do in that way also, you will get the answer. If you add the area, this is A minus B into B plus B square, and this again A minus B into B. So if you do in this way also, after adding the area of the three figures and then subtracting it from A square, you will get the same result. That's why I have just this, we haven't mentioned the area of this square, FGCH. Simply we have taken the entire rectangle JBCH and the rectangle EFHD. So all of you are understood. I don't think you may have got any problem. So this is the proof of geometrical proof of the identity A minus B whole square, A square minus 2B plus B square. Now I will again be present tomorrow with the proof of the another identity, that is A square minus B square. Till then we may switch over to the another identity, algebraic identity number 4. 4 we have studied A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square, A square minus B square, A plus B plus C whole square we have studied. So it is identity number 5. And this identity number 5 is x plus A into x plus B is equal to x square plus A plus B whole A plus B into x plus A into B. This is identity number 4. X plus A into x plus B is equal to x square plus A plus B whole into x plus A into B. This is identity 5. Okay. So we are going to explain it, we will prove it, and we will do some problems based on this identity. Let us have proof. LHS is equal to x plus A into x plus B. It's very simple. If you multiply, you will have x into x plus B plus A into x plus B, and this will give you x into x square plus x into B bx plus A into x ax plus A into B AB. Okay, x square plus, in these two terms you see x is common, so A plus B into x is taken common plus A into barabar RHS. So the proof is very simple. LHS is equal to x plus A into x plus B. We have multiplied x for 2 x plus B, and then A into x plus B. We are having x into x square plus bx. Now A into x ax plus A into B AB. We have taken x common from both the terms, and so we are having A plus B. B plus A or A plus B is the same thing. Here if you take x common, you will have B plus A. That doesn't matter whether it is A plus B or it is B plus A. Both are the same thing. and now here, so it is equal to RHS. Okay, this is very important theorem. This is very important identity, and you must learn and understand it very carefully. Okay, let us have some problems based on this identity. This is just like you see, find the product x plus 3 into x plus 4. Question is, find the product x plus 3 into x plus 4. Okay, solution we will see x plus 3 into x plus 4. Here x will remain x and this will be considered as a and this will be considered as b. So it is x plus a and x plus b. 3 is considered as a and 4 is considered as b. Now, if you recall the formula x plus a into x plus b. Now, this question has come on the pattern x plus a into x plus b. And we know x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b whole into x whole a plus b into x plus a into b. So what you will have here, x plus 3 into x plus 4, x plus a into x will be x square is x plus a plus b. What is a? A is 3. What is b? It is 4 into x and plus a into b. What is a? 3. And what is b? 4. 3 into 4. So what we have? X square plus 3 plus 4, 7x and plus 12. Okay, no problem. Let us see the next thing, next question. Let us see the next question. Y minus 5 plus y plus 2. कितना? Y minus 5 into y plus 2. Okay, here see carefully what we have studied. X plus a, you will write somewhere x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x whole a into b. This is your identity. You may write somewhere so that you may not have any confusion. You must go on looking every time the identities. If you look it and go through the identities several times, you will get it learned. Now, let us see y minus 5, y plus 2. You may see that, sir, there was no minus sign in the identity, but here there is minus sign, one minus sign, other is plus sign. So, how it can be done? No problem. You need not get worried for this. Let us see y minus 5, sorry, y minus 5 into y plus 2. This can be written like this. We will use this y plus minus 5 into y plus 2. It is positive, so there is no problem. Here it is negative. And it should be x plus a in the form of x plus a. So what we have done? Y plus a. Y plus minus 5. This is equal to a and this is equal to b. Now what we have studied? y plus a, y plus b. Okay, so in on the place of x it is y. What is the difference? On the place of x it is y. There is no other difference. So it is y plus a into y plus b. So what will be the right hand side part? Y squared plus a plus b into y plus a into b. On the place of x it will be y. So let us see what will you do. Y square plus a plus b. What is a? A is minus 5, and what is b? It is 2 into y plus a into b. What is a? Minus 5 into what is b? It is 2. You are watching? Any problem? Here x square है, x स्क्वायर के बदले क्या हो जाएगा? x के बदले क्या है यहाँ पर? y है तो y स्क्वायर हो जाएगा प्लस a प्लस b. a के बदले में क्या है बच्चों? -5. यही ध्यान देने की जरूरत है. a is equal to -5 and plus b. What is b? b is equal to 2. a और b को पहचानना है. a और b को मात्र पहचानना है. वेरिएबल x y z कुछ भी रहे, हमको कांस्टेंट टर्म a और b को पहचानना है. a is equal to -5 and b is equal to 2. Now this. Now see here. It is y square plus -5 में थ्रू जाएगा -3 into y, एंड यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा? -5 and 2 plus -10. Okay, so this will give you y square. यहाँ देखो प्लस और माइनस, -3y, एंड यहाँ पर प्लस और -10, -10. कोई प्रॉब्लम? फिर से देखिए, यहाँ पर we have studied the identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to x squared plus a plus b whole into x plus a into b. But here in this question you are watching that the question is like that, y minus 5 and y plus 2. You will see that there is no x, there is minus sign. So sir, how it can be done? Nothing to be puzzled, nothing to be worried, my students. Try to understand. On the place of x it is y. The only difference is that here it is x, but here it is y. The another thing is that here is minus plus a, and here it is minus. So first of all, try to understand a and b. What is a? A is -5, and what is b? B is +2. Okay, so we can write this y -5 as y plus into -5. So it is y plus a. What is the value of a here? Value of a is -5. What is the value of a? It is -5, and it is y plus 2. It is as it is, no problem. Only there is difference of on the place of x, it is y. Now see, what is the formula? What is the identity? X square, that is y square, plus a plus b. A is equal to -5, b is equal to +2 into y, plus a into b, -5 into 10, and you will have y square, and here -3 -5 plus 2, -5 में से 2 जाएगा, कितना बचेगा? -5 में से 2 जाएगा, -3 बचेगा, and plus here -5 to -10. So lastly we are having y square minus 3y minus 10 answer. No problem. Now let us see one more type of question of the same when both the terms are negative. In the first question we have seen both the terms were positive, a and b were positive. In second question we have seen a is negative and b is positive. And third question we will see from example that both are negative. Just like you may see here, z like this, z x minus 6, x minus 9. Same question is there. X minus 6 into x minus 9. Now you may have question problem. Sir, here both the terms are negative. You will say a and b both are negative, and you may fill in an embarrassing condition. That is not true. Let us see how this minus can be converted into plus. Here we have x minus 6 into x minus 9. This will give you x plus minus 6. We will use this curly bracket, and again x plus minus 9. Again it is kept in the curly bracket. Okay. Now you can easily recognize that this is A and this is B. Anybody has any confusion in recognizing A and B? The x is variable and the other numbers, whatever is there, minus 6 is A and minus 9 is B. Now you don't have any problem. You are having x plus A and x plus B. A is equal to minus 6, B is equal to minus 9. So what we have here is that now it has come on the identity. The identity is x plus A into x plus B, x plus A whole into whole x plus B is equal to x squared plus A plus B whole into x plus A into B. Now recall the identity. It is x squared plus A into B. Let us see here. What is A? A is minus 6. And what is B? It is minus 9 into what is x plus A into B minus 6 into minus 9. Any problem? I think no. X squared plus A plus B. What is A? Minus 6. What is B? Minus 9. 4 into X plus A into B. Now let us see. Here you may have like this. It is equal to x square plus. Here you may see it is minus 6 and plus minus it is minus 9 x, and here plus 6 9 are 54. Okay. Now you may see it is x square and plus it is minus 15 into x plus 54. So it is equal to x square and plus minus 15x plus 54. This is your answer. Okay. Okay. Now let's consider the next type of question. Evaluate using this identity. So I think you have understood this question. Whether the terms are, one term is positive, both the terms are positive, then also we will do the first term is negative, this and the second term is positive, then you can do if both the terms A and B, if the terms means A and B, if both A and B are negative, then also you can proceed in this way. Simply what is needed is here is to understand and recognize A and B. If minus term is there, it can be written in the form of plus with minus A or B. Now let us see the next question. Find the product using identity x square x plus A into x plus B. Like this, one question is, by using suitable identity, evaluate the following. Evaluate the following using the identity. Evaluate using suitable identity. Just like see, first one is, I am for your understanding, I am going to 103 into 105. 103 into 105. This is the question. It has to be solved by using suitable identity. That is this identity. Identity 5. Suitable identity. I am writing identity 5. Okay. So here it can be written 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 5. Now see what is x? X is 100. What is a? This. And what is this? This. So a is 3 and b is 5 and x is 100. Okay. Now recall the formula. X plus, it is on the pattern x plus a into x plus b. X is 100 and a is 3 and b is 5. So it has come on the pattern x plus a into x plus b. And it is equal to x square plus a plus b whole into x plus a into b. So in this way we will write x square, that is 100 square, plus a plus b 3 plus 5 into x 100 and plus a into b 3 into 5. In this way you will have 10,000 plus 8 into 100 and plus 15. So 10,000 plus 800 plus 15, and this will give you 10,815. Any problem? You have to understand first of all x, a and b. Here 100 plus 3, 100 plus 5. And so it is x is 100, a is 3 and b is 5. So 100 square is equal x square, that is 100 square plus a plus b, 3 plus 5 into 100 plus a to b. In this way 10,815. So 10,800 plus 10,815 answer. Okay. Let us see some another question of the same type, 98 and 97. Another question is 98 and 97 of the same type of question. Evaluate using identity 5, 98 and 97. 98 into 97. Okay, 98 into 97. So nothing to worry. Here it is 98. So we may write 100 minus 2. It is better. And here 100 minus 3. So x is 100. Here again we have got minus sign. So we will convert it into plus. How will you convert? 100 plus minus 2. एक ब्रैकेट में रखेंगे. अगेन 100 प्लस माइनस 3 दूसरे ब्रैकेट में रखेंगे. नाउ इट इज x, इट इज a, it is x, it is b. Now you have got x plus a into x plus b, and so it will give you x square, that is 100 square, plus a into b, a plus b, that is minus 2 and plus minus 3 into 100 plus a into b, that is minus 2 into minus 3, and this will give you 10,000. Now see here what will happen. Minus 2 and minus 3, it is equal to minus 5 into 100, and here minus 2 into minus 3, minus minus plus, plus 6. So again it is 10,000, and here minus 5 into 100, what will you have? Minus 5 into 100, minus 500 plus 6. This will give you 10,000 plus minus 500 and plus 6. What will you do? 10,006 minus 500. Okay. So 10,006 minus 500 to subtract, you will have 6 0 9,506. 9,506. 6 0. Okay. So these problems are, one more type of question is there. Almost all are of the same type of question. Okay. And so I expect that you might be able to do worksheet 5. And so from your book, go through the questions of worksheet 5, and you will find that almost all the problems, all types of problems, I have explained with the help of the suitable examples, and I think that you might be able to do the questions of worksheet 5. I will send you the questions on your snap number, and I expect that you will do. And if you have any query, okay, you may contact me on my telephone number and as well as WhatsApp number. The number is, once again I am writing, this is my WhatsApp number as well as my mobile number. Okay, with this words, I am going to conclude my lecture. We will see you again with another geometrical proof and another identity. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.